Hello all, welcome to today's session on how to run a PowerCenter scan in Advanced Scanner or Metadex. So let's see today's agenda. So we're going to see about how to scan PowerCenter using Advanced Scanner and the PM rep and its dependencies that Advanced Scanners will be using in order to extract the metadata and other related data from Advanced Scanner. And after loading into EDC, take a look into the assets and metadata like which got loaded into EDC as well. So I have a Metadex server which is open and let's hop right into the demo. So I have already created a configuration. So all you have to do is like create a project and under administration, you need to give the permissions for the user in order to create configuration. Once you give the permission, you can create configuration under create configuration Metadex. And so give the name for a configuration, and so you need to select Informatica PowerCenter to EDC as the conversion path. And there are two options as a read source. One is by files, another is pmrep command, which is used to extract directly from the PowerCenter instance. And then you need to select the pmrep path. So this usually would be present in the Metadex server which you're running. So you need to cross-verify if your pmrep is present in this path. And also you need to cross-verify all the dependencies that are required to run this pmrep is present in this path. So here you can see I'm in the path info home server bin. So under which my pmrep is present. Also, all the dependent files, the res files were present here. So if your machine doesn't have the pmrep and its dependency files here, do check. It will be present in other directories as well. So wherever the pmrep and your dependencies are present, you can give that directory for the pmrep executable to connect to the Informatica PowerCenter server. So the next is the pmrep repository, that you're going to scan. Uh, Here I've given it, and next is the pmrep host and port, your PowerCenter host and port, and the security domain of your PowerCenter, and the PowerCenter user, which has all the required privileges, and the password to connect using the pmrep command. And even like before running this connection, you can manually run the pmrep command from the server bin directory to confirm the pmrep is able to connect from your Metadex server machine to the PowerCenter machine as well. So another important option is pmrep timeout in seconds. So you need to set an optimal timeout. Uh, so if it is too less, your scans would be failing or the timeout error even before fetching the metadata. And next is the file name host. So this is like a custom name that you can provide. So once all the metadata is extracted, this is stored under PowerCenter underscore host under the repository and the Metadex UI. And finally, you need to select the writer configuration as load using REST API to directly load it into the EDC. And so the output directory where the extracted metadata will be stored, and then your EDC resource name. So the resource will be created under this name in your EDC catalog UI, and it will be seen in the LDM admin as well. Let's go ahead and run the scan, and I'll be back once the scan completes. So here you can see the scan completed, and it extracted the repository rs underscore utf8 and all the folders and mappings and mapping tasks inside it. So let's take a look into the catalog UI and see how the resource looks. So this is how the resource looks. So it extracted like 4 mappings and 4 sessions and 2 workflows. And so let me take a look into any one of the sessions. So yeah, so here you can see so this is a session instance. So it loads from two of the table, and again mean, it extracts from top of the table and loads into a target table. So since the source and target system was not scanned, so this is created as a reference resource, and lineage has been shown between the source and target, and also the ETL tool here, the PowerCenter. And that should be all for the demo. And we would love to hear your feedback through these two channels. And thanks for watching the video.